Heather here, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would love it if you would subscribe. My channel is all about my weight loss journey. I have a channel trailer over on my homepage of my channel if you want to go check that out. Make sure you subscribe while you're at it. Alright, so today we have a cook with me video. I am going to be making a Skinny Taste recipe, actually two recipes. I'm making some grilled pesto shrimp along with some grilled corn and feta salad. So, if you watched my meal prep video, you know that I already created a meal kit for the corn and feta salad, and for the shrimp, it's pretty simple. I'm not making the pesto myself like she outlines in her recipe. I cheated and got pesto from Trader Joe's, so all I really had to do was have the shrimp marinate in the pesto sauce for a little bit before I put them on the grill. So for the corn feta salad, the first thing I'm gonna do is grill the corn, and I actually found a really great way to grill corn. I just did a Google search on Google how to grill corn, and this has been the best way that I've found to grill it. It makes the corn perfect. It comes out perfect every time. It's not too hard or chewy. It's the perfect texture, so I can't take credit for it, but I'll show you guys how I do it. First, I obviously shuck the corn. I don't take all of the leaves off. I leave some of them off, but I peel them back, and then I take the hair or the silk off, and then I put the leaves back, and then I let them soak in some water for about 10 to 15 minutes. We'll have them on the grill for about 15 to 20 minutes and flip them every 5 minutes or so. Let's head out to the grill and get started. So I'm doing the corn first because that's gonna take a little bit longer than the shrimp. I'm gonna head out here and put the corn on the grill. And I'm not too sure how many skewers I'm gonna need. I've got 2 for now. For the pesto, I measured out 40 grams. It's probably a little too much, to be honest. I'll probably go with like 25 or 30 grams next time, but that's okay. I measured this out in my app to make sure I'm not going over my calories, and that I got the right amount of each ingredient so I don't go over my calories. Especially because I deviated from the recipe and I didn't make my own pesto. The calorie count is gonna be a little different. I'm only making 1 serving because I don't like to reheat shrimp. I think it's gross. This is just for tonight, and then as I eat this recipe, I will make more. The corn salad obviously is going to be more than 1 serving.
Oops.
So this is what it looks like just coming off the grill. I've got skewers there cooling off. While the corn is cooling off, I am going to chop up my cilantro and put all the other ingredients in a bowl so it's ready for the corn. So what's nice is I have all the ingredients pretty much ready to go. All I have to do is chop the cilantro, put everything in a bowl, and then I'll have to take the corn off the cob, and then that's about it. So that's one reason why I love meal prepping. It makes everything so much easier during the week. You have more time to focus on other things like working out or relaxing, spending time with your family. This way you spend minimal time in the kitchen during the week. This should be a good size, but if not, we'll have to switch it out. Maybe I'll put this in there. I'm gonna put feta in. It's a 1/2 cup of feta. I didn't measure out the cilantro. I love cilantro, so I put more than what the recipe called for. And the onion is already chopped up, so I'm gonna add that. And once I get the corn off the cob, I'll put that in here, and then I'll add the oil, and it will be done. So I have a little bit of a confession to make. Never cut corn fresh off the cob. So wish me luck. I made a bit of a mess, but this is looking good. I have oil that I pre-measured out. And I believe the recipe says to add salt and pepper to taste. I'm gonna do that when I serve it rather than putting it all in this bowl. This actually made a lot. So I think the serving size is gonna be pretty big. All right, now it's time to plate it. Okay, and there's dinner. All right, so I added a little bit of salt and pepper to this. Let's give it a taste. That's super good. It has a very summery taste, if that is a taste, but it tastes like summer. Oh, and the feta cheese is so good. Now let's try the shrimp. This is a good combination. I would give this dinner an A. I definitely recommend it. So if you want to give these a try, head on down to my description box below. And while you're down there, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.